Hello dear, this is Vicky from Gaj district of Bihar, and it is my ninth video of practice speaking English. And the purpose of this practice speaking English is to become a fluent English speaker. Okay, so today I'm late. I'm making this video at 5:40 p.m. because yesterday I had much time. That's why I made at 3 p.m. But today today I had no time. That's why in the day I couldn't make video. So now I'm making this video at night. Okay, because it's winter season. So at 5:40 p.m. we can say it is at night time. Okay, and if I calculate, then I am late 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours and 40 minutes late compared to yesterday. But because and after after working in the morning after 12 p.m. I went Sagati for some work. I will not say for what work I went there, but at least I can say because of that today I couldn't play cricket. My friends were calling me, where are you? Come fast because it is a time of playing cricket. Every day you come on time and today you are not coming. Why? Then said him, brother, I think today I can't come on time. I will be late. So I have come 7:30 due to some work. So please now don't call me. Don't call me. Yes, and then what whatever I think in mind, just I try to do. But today I have seen thing in myself everywhere. Why everywhere everywhere confidence is different. when i am when I am making video in front of camera, I think my confidence is become low, something low. But when I talk to people on audio call, that time I speak fast. I don't take more time compared to making video, because in the evening time I was talking to a person that was from Jharkhand. Okay, he 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 texted me for talking. That time I was writing something, but something I was writing, and then I text him also and told him, brother, my mobile's recharge plan is expired, so you can call me, and please call me normal call. Okay, because I'm studying by connecting Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi- with the help of other other mobiles network. If 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 he goes anywhere, then that time we will we can disconnect it. Okay, so and I'm covering my whole body except my head with this blanket. because I was feeling so cold. Okay, and I will not make mistake. I have decided at least I will reduce my making mistake. And in this video, and I'm going to wind up here. So thank you for you all watching my video till the end. So I will meet you and you can catch me on the next video. So before going anywhere, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And while doing all these kinds of things, please support me. So bye everyone, have a nice day. Bye bye.